Hello everyone, I am Engineer Abhishek. Welcome to Electrical Load Est. We providing best industrial solution. Our main focus is preventive maintenance, ensure issues and testing. We perform daily, weekly, monthly and annual maintenance. Behind every successful maintenance task is a skilled and professionals. Maintenance, a PPM, fire safety system, system overview, and etc. Our maintenance solutions fall under PPM, corrective maintenance, and condition-based maintenance. Our team include well-trained engineers and well-trained employees. Maintenance included critical tasks such as oil level, temperature check, cleaning, air breather, tightening terminals, earth check, and voltage analysis. Annual maintenance, transformer oil testing, IR and PI solution test, bushing inspection and replacement, and preventive system. Thank you for choosing Electrical Load EST. Our team is ready to support you anytime.